Hi friends, it's Julia. Merry Christmas. Today is December 25th and it is the 25th day of 31 days of scrapbooking in December, where I've been sharing a layout every single day that is Christmas themed. Today I have a sketch from Laura Whitaker from Made for Scrapping Around the Clock at blogspot.com. It is a 2-photo sketch, and I do have 2 photos, and yeah, I'll give you a close-up of the sketch here in just a few minutes. I pulled in several pieces of paper. I have 2 from Heidi Swapp, 1 from Felicity Jane, and 1 from Cartabella. So, and you can see, here are my 2 photos. And then I took all of these gifts and put them on cream color paper. And I'm just going to, those are clear stickers, and I'm just going to fussy cut those out. I added in a couple of 3x4 cards. I added one of those little envelopes from Felicity Jane. All of that's from Felicity Jane, as are these tags. I added in the gold chipboard stars, and then I added in this tag with the star shape on it. I think it's watercolor, but I don't know that I'm necessarily going to watercolor that. I think I might stitch around it. I said that once before, I never did it, so we'll see what I come up with. Anyway, this is where I am starting. I have all of my stuff around me to pull from as I go through, and I will be back. I'll give you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to share what I created. Alright friends, I'm done with another one. I did add in some cream and gold twine. Yeah, I'm nearly done with that, I think, so I might keep it out to continue using it. I did not use all the Christmas packages that I fussy cut out, so those will go right back into my stash. I did use these red sequins from Felicity Jane. I added in scraps. I had originally the red paper, and I used that. I had this green paper, and I used that, and then I had, what other color? There's one other color, the red paper. And so that's what I have. So, I have left over the red diagonal stripe paper. I only used a small piece of that. I used quite a bit of the red paper, and then I have green paper left over. I added in some, or no, I had this paper as well, the green paper. I cut off the borders and used that. And that was the border to this paper, the border strip to this paper that I pulled in. I had a scrap of this, and so I used that as well. Left over from a different project. So this stuff will go back into my stash. So there's those. Here's my sketch. And you can see, other than the packages, there's nothing else left because I used it all on the layout. I used both the pocket page cards, although you can't see the red one now. I've pretty much covered it all up. I did not intend to do that. And I think in the doing of that, it made me feel uncomfortable with this layout because it did not feel balanced to me. I felt like there was something missing. And so, even though nothing was missing at all. Let me show you what I did here. It looks like I have a white background because I used that stripe paper that I originally had. I put it on here and then did not like it at all because I had the single stripe at the top and the bottom, and then the other stripes along the side. I just didn't like it. So I flipped it over, put my green paper down, cut down my houndstooth paper, and then cut this piece. And I decided that it needed something else. And so I added in this piece of paper. Now, I didn't have a terrific amount of this paper. It was only a strip about maybe 6 inches wide by 12 inches long. So I cut about 3 inches off, and then I cut this apart so that I have about maybe 2 inches on this side and about 4 inches on this side to make it work. I added a strip of washi tape, and then I also added, I had about a 4-inch piece of washi tape that was left over in one of my leftover bags that I had added in of Christmas embellishments. I just put it right there, cut it apart, cut an angle on it, and put it right there. My tag here, I went ahead and I stitched around it with that gold twine of the star shape. That was the booger bear to get done. I put that tinsel twine, use the last bit of tinsel twine that I had to go up here, and then I put a little red bow on it to balance the red more to this side, even though you really can't tell it. It's really not balanced at all. I used my tags, one on each side. Oh, and I better be careful, that looked like it smeared some. I used a Sharpie on top of that, and it's kind of got a slick surface, so it may not be completely dry. My packages that I cut out, I put a couple up on foam adhesive. My little envelope is over here, and of course the sequins, the stars. So yeah, it turned out lovely. I thought initially when I was doing it, I'm like, this isn't going to be my favorite layout. I don't think I'm going to like it. Now that it's done, I really do like it. Adding this pop of red down here really made it feel balanced, as did the red sequins. Adding those made it feel more balanced. Now that that's done, we can get on to my surprise. I will have close-ups of this in just a minute, but I wanted to share another surprise with you. I have another box for giveaway. Again, let me move those to the side, move those over. Here is the paper pad. No, there's 60 sheets, 15 of each, yeah, 4 of each design. And this is one of those paper pads that I had shared. This is a duplicate of one that I had already purchased that I split with my sister. So I went through and I kept 2 of each and gave my sister 2 of each. This is a lovely paper pad. And it's not only good for Christmas, yeah, the wise men on their camels, that might be completely Christmas themed, but there's a whole lot of paper in here that can be used for other things besides Christmas. You have lots of great, like that would make a great background. Even the white on the back, because the whites in the paper pad are stark whites, they're not off whites or creams. I think you could use those as your backgrounds if you didn't care for a design. So I have this paper pad. Y'all, have I ever said my favorite color is green? That green wood tone, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I think you're going to have a lot of fun, whoever wins this. Lots of great paper to play with. Along with that, I am adding in a black foam Sticko alpha sticker. And if you have other black stickers, you can add that in and create lots of layouts. I have this old Freckled Fawn wood embellishment, and it's got a star on it. You can use it as a photo frame. Put the star at the bottom and have your photo here. Christmas numbers. I have these Nuvo alcohol markers in Stormy Grays. Yeah, these I received in a swag bag, and I went to a second event where these were given in a swag bag, so I had 2 sets. So I thought, why not share some? So that's what these are. This is a stamp and die from the Stamps of Life. I have used it before. I love the Merry Christmas sentiment, and it says a Christmas treat for you, and the little candy canes, and then got treats as a question mark. But yeah, I've used this quite a few times. I don't think I'm going to use it anymore. Plus, I had a duplicate of the Hedgehog Hollow stamp that I added in the previous giveaway. And so, yeah, here's a duplicate. Now, I will have a ton of stuff to go along with this, y'all. I have been digging through my stash. Some of what I'm going to add in is not new stuff. Some of it is not completely unused. But I've not put anything in here that would not be perfect for use for you. You could use it without, you know, having to worry about it being pulled off of another project of mine. It's stuff that may not be brand new from the store, but it is all in great shape. Anyway, so this is my giveaway. Today is the 25th. Merry Christmas, y'all. And I will announce a winner on the 31st. Have a giveaway announcement on that day. I will do a separate video that day to give this prize kit away. This is a secret. I've not announced it on the thread of this video that this is a giveaway video. So yeah, make sure in order to enter the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my channel, as well as you need to leave a comment down in the comment section that you want to win something. And then when I post the winner on the 31st, and we'll go from there. Anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate you supporting my channel, and I just want to give back a little bit during this Christmas time. So anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video for the 31 days of scrapbooking in December. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.